Hey guys, I'm Yasir Hussain and this video series is about China government scholarship. So if you are willing to go to China and study there, so this video is for you. So you can see all the steps which can help you out in availing that scholarship. First of all, if you wanna see this video in Urdu, then you can click on the link which is on your screen. अगर आप ये वीडियो उर्दू में देखना चाहते हैं तो अपने स्क्रीन पर दिए हुए लिंक पर क्लिक करें. So let's get started. This is our first video of the series. This series will cover up in 7 videos, 7 main videos. So first video is about how to search the university. So first of all, you need to go to my website, which is csc.yasirtech.com. I will post related materials and all the videos on my website, so you can check out my website, which will help you a lot for applying for scholarship. So here is the introduction, and I have tried to explain a little bit about the whole website, and here is the introductory video which will explain how beautiful China is. If you want to see the beauty of China, you can see my first video. And here is the first step, the most important step, finding the university or the universities where you want to apply. So I will suggest you should apply for multiple universities so that your chances will increase for the scholarship. So for finding the universities, you need to download these two files which will help you a lot. So I am downloading them both. So here is the first one and here is the second one. After downloading them, I am opening the first file, which is subject wise list. So this is the subject wise list. Let me minimize the download complete box. So this is the list. If you want to find any subject, you can hit Ctrl and F and type your subject. So mine is computer, so I am typing that. If you hit enter, you will get to the list, and here are all the universities which are currently open for the computer sciences program. So you have all the universities where you can apply. So let me show you how you can find the official website. So let me copy the Dalian University of Technology and go to your web browser, go to google.com, paste it here and search it. You will find on the top the official website of that university. So here is the official website, so I will click on it. So this is the official website of Dalian University of Technology. You can see all the information is given here. You can find it easily. So on the top you can find the multiple buttons: home, about, DUT and faculties. Under faculties you have two options. I am going for faculty and departments. Here you can find all the departments. So if you want to find your majors, you can hit Ctrl and F and type your concerned department. Mine is computer sciences and I will click on that. So it will open a new page which is specifically for the computer sciences department. So here is a little problem. This website is in Chinese and I really don't understand Chinese, so I need to convert it in my native language or the international language, which is English. So I will show you how to convert it in English. So here is a little button that can translate this page into English. If you don't have this button, go for Google's and type Google Translator add-on for your concerned web browser. So if you have Chrome, go for Chrome. If you have Firefox, go for Firefox. If you have Opera, go for Opera. So if you click that, you will find a link. Click on that, click on add to Chrome, and this will add a little button that can translate your web page, any web page. So click on that and hit translate. This page will convert into international language, that is English. So you can see that whole page is converted into English language. So this is a little example how to find the university, and we have another file that is really easy to find a university or the website. So we will open it, and this file have all the information related to the universities. So if you need any university's contact number or the website or the email address, this file have all in it. So if you know the universities where you want to apply, simply download this file and open it and go for the URL or the email or the telephone number. You can approach them anyway. So let me show you how to go for a concerned website or the web page of the university where you want to apply. So for example, for Beijing University, here are all the information. At number 5, So you can see, if you want to apply for Beijing University, you can hit on the URL and it will directly open in your web browser. So its website is www.buaa.edu.cn. So in our next example, we will see, if we knew the name of the university, then we can directly go for the Googles and type its name, and we can find its URL and the other information there. So let me show you quickly. So we will go for Nanjing University of Aeronautics and Astronautics. So you will find that official website is on the top, so click on that. So this is the official page of Nanjing University of Aeronautics and Astronautics. You can find all the information, the academic, the admissions, and you can check out all the details, whether you want to apply or anything else. So in our last example, I will show you how to search a university by a city name. So go for Google's and hit Beijing University. So I will show you how to find out the Beijing universities. So there are all the list of universities where you can find all the universities that are in Beijing. So you can click on any of these. So these all are from Beijing. So you can go for the official website and check out all the related details. So next video will be how to find out the professors and how to approach them. So I will show you how to find out the professors. So see you next time. I hope this effort will help you a lot in applying for China Government Scholarship. So see you next time. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.